Hi friends, welcome back to channel. In the previous video we have seen how to cut a kiwi fruit, and in this video we are going to look at how to cut a pomegranate and how to eat it. It's very easy to cut and eat it. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below over here. First of all, we'll look into the nutritional facts of pomegranate. Pomegranate contains higher amount of antioxidants. It contains thrice the amount of antioxidants present in green tea, and it contains higher amounts of vitamin C, and this serves as the 40% of your daily requirements. And because of this higher amounts of antioxidants and vitamin C, it acts as an anti-inflammatory also, and this aids in digestion, so that the patients or people who are greater than 50 or 60 years of age can have this fruit daily. And it goes well with the patients who are suffering from heart disease and blood pressure, and also the diabetes. This fruit can be carried very easily while you are traveling, and this can be very handy also. It won't create any problem like messing with all the items that you are carrying while you are traveling. And because of this presence of the outer hard shell, and this fruit can be eaten by all the age groups, like from kids to the 60 to 70 years of age. So friends, let's proceed to the video of how to cut and eat it. It's very easy. Just we need to cut few millimeters into the pomegranate, like 2 to 3 millimeters. We need to pass like this in a circular manner. After cutting it, then we need to remove this. Once we are done with this, we need to cut along the four sides. Look for this partitions, so it can be very so that we can easily break them into four parts. After cutting into four parts, just pull them away. Just make it reverse and tap it. Now let's see how to make pomegranate juice using these pomegranate seeds. First, add all those pomegranate seeds which we have extracted from the pomegranate. Then add a teaspoon of sugar. Then after that, add a teaspoon of mango squash. Add a teaspoon of mango squash. Then add half lemon to it so that iron can be easily absorbed while you are drinking this. Don't forget to add lemon juice to this. After adding everything, add water to it. Now transfer the juice. Don't filter it because the seeds need to be transferred. The seed should be within the juice itself only. Now the juice is ready.